Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to share your audio while screen sharing in Pencil Spaces. So in order to be able to screen share, I have to either join a call or start a call, and as the host of this space, I'm going to start the call. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the bottom of my participant box and select Screen Share. I can either share my entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. As you can see at the bottom corner of my screen share settings, there is a Share Audio tab. This allows you to share your audio with your participants. If you do not wish to share your audio with your participants, just click the box and you will no longer be sharing your audio. And if you do want to share your audio with your participants, same process applies, just click the box again, and when you screen share, they will be able to hear the audio of your screen share. So I'm going to select the Chrome tab I wish to share, and I'm going to select Share. So now when I play my video, all my participants will be able to hear the audio.
Hello everyone, this is Paulina from Pencil and welcome to our Spaces tutorial.
I hope you found today's tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the Help button at the top right corner of your screen.